Alright, in this video I'm going to attempt to show you how to adjust and fix this latch from the Extra 300 Extreme Flight NG. As you can see, there's nothing in the hole. Basically the ball nose spring plunger right here that comes in it lost its spring, as you can barely see right here. It lost the spring. They are 4mm ball nose spring plungers. You can get them 10 in a pack from Amazon. I got these for $8. They're 4mm coarse thread. Okay. So what happened? I don't know if you can see that. There's like barely a little, looks like a wear mark right here, all the way across from where the latch moved. What that did was pretty much bust the nose of this and release the ball and spring, and the ball sat in one of these indentions and locked my canopy in place. As you can see, I had to break the latch out just to get to it. To prevent this from happening, this needs to be tightened. Make sure this is tight so there's no play in it up and down. Just a little bit of resistance on it. My opinion, this bottom piece probably should have been carbon, so it was carbon on carbon. Anyway, you take the brand new 4mm ball nose plunger. You can see it's got a little ball in it, and you run it into the latch here. So what I like to do is I'll go to where the ball barely sticks out. So, I don't know if you can see that in here, but it'll barely stick out. You don't want any of the black part of the screw in. And you can see it'll snap into place. So right now it's not. Adjust it back in a little bit until you can get it to snap in. And you can hear it click. So it's clicking in the holes. That's a little too much, so you back it out until you can do it pretty easily. So back it out again. And you can see it's kind of lifting the carbon up when I'm doing it. So I'll back it out again. So there's no clicking. Yeah, I'm gonna go in just a little bit. Nothing. Go in just a little bit more, and I got a little bit of resistance, not a whole lot. And now I'm going to go in just probably a 1/16 of a turn, and now there's enough to hold it into place. And you can see right there and right there. You can hear it click. And if you wanted a little bit more, you can go a little bit more and adjust it as necessary. So, but the ball is barely, you see it, the ball is barely sticking above that. It's just enough to give the indention something to snap into place. If you go too much, it's real rough. And it, again, picks up the carbon plate. And I think that's what caused it to fail to begin with. So I'm going to back out. And you just want it barely rubbing across. And the ones in the plane already need to be adjusted. So just a little bit more, and there we go. So that's perfect. So now I'm going to go glue this back in, and then I'm going to adjust all the other ones in the NG, the canopy, and the wing. So the wing hold downs are also using these 4mm. So I would suggest keeping a pack of these with you in your toolbox, just in case they fail and you need it. So anyway, thanks for watching.